No, it, all, like and subscribe. Removing a blank page in Microsoft Word. Most times you get this error when you convert PDF to doc, or you were sent a document created from another word processor, other than Microsoft Word. So here is my document having the extra blank pages in it. Let me show you through. Having done that, let's get on to how to solve this problem on your Word document. At the menu bar, select the View tab, find Navigation pane, and click on it. Select the tab named Pages. All you have to do here is click on the empty page and press the delete button on your keyboard. Repeat this for every empty pages and you are done with it. If that did not work for you, you can go through the second procedure. At the Home tab in the menu bar above, click the paragraph icon. This icon should display at the beginning every paragraph. I will like to change my screen display to multiple pages to make it easier to find empty pages. On every empty page, you should see a page break text. All you have to do is to highlight the text and delete it. Do this to all of the empty pages you have in your document. Please like and subscribe to stay notified for more coming videos.